Falling birth rate. As women took jobs outside the home, they had less children, which concerned the Nazis, who wanted to increase the population. Patriotic duty. Nazis believed that women owed it to their country to stay at home and have children. The 3Ks. The Nazis believed women should confine themselves to kinder, Kirch and Kush, children, church and cooking. Sect. Female doctors, teachers, lawyers and judges were forced to give up their jobs, which would be taken by men. Family planning banned. The Nazis made contraception and abortion illegal. Loans. Newlyweds could apply for money from the government to help them set up a home, although they would have to repay it. Honor Cross Medal. Women were recognized with rewards for having lots of children. Women who had 8 children received the Gold Cross. Traditional dress. Wearing trousers or high heels was discouraged in favor of dresses and traditional German outfits. Behavior. Women were banned from smoking, and wearing makeup and slimming was discouraged. Sterilisation. A medical procedure that prevents women from being to have children. Forced sterilization. The law for the prevention of diseased offspring allowed women with a history of mental illness, hereditary diseases or antisocial behavior to be sterilized by force. Impact of war. During the war, women were drafted into work because of labor shortages. Increased birth rate. There was some success, as 970,000 babies were born a year in 1933, but by 1939 this had increased to 1,413,000.